guys. Oh look, I match my background. So today's look is basically inspired by the contact lenses I'm wearing. They are from TTDI. I love their lenses, like they're just amazing. And they are these like khaki green brown kind of eyes. It's green basically, but they're kind of brown at the same time. They're literally almost the same color as my scarf. So let's get onto it. I thought I'd do like a talk through makeup look because I haven't done one of those in ages. This is not here, so I am doing this. I'm so happy. I've got a shoot in about half an hour, so let's see if we can do this quickly. So I'm gonna go in with this Givenchy foundation that I am loving. I'm gonna mix it with, because I haven't yet found the perfect combination to mix it with. There is my Dior Backstage foundation, which I absolutely adore. However, I don't have a dark enough shade to mix it with, so I'm going to be using this Eraser Concealer by Maybelline, which I love. I wish I had a darker shade. You know what? I got rid of all my dark shades, and then I went and got a tan. And now everything is too... I did really want to wear this foundation today, actually, but it is a little bit sticky, and I'm going to the cinema in a bit, and I don't really want to have that. Like, I want to be able to touch my face and not feel icky about it. I'm actually going to use these instead because I absolutely love them, and I have been very strict with my skincare routine, and I've only been using the Zoll products, so I thought, you know, might as well stick to that. I really don't know what foundation to wear because I really like this Givenchy foundation, but at the same time I wear my Dior all the time, but then I'm also too scared to try anything else today because I'm shooting, and when I do my outfit pictures I like to just stay safe. Just apply this everywhere that needs extra coverage, and then that way it'll just blend into my foundation. To be honest, actually, that foundation I want to use is really light. Maybe I don't want to use it today. Yeah, I just realized I forgot to prime. But that's okay. Let's get in there. You know what? My dark circles, I've never ever had an issue with dark circles until I got pregnant, and now they are just so difficult to hide. Yeah, I kind of wish I got a darker shade, but I was too scared to get a darker shade because I'm literally going to use the tiniest amount. Let's pull my scarf back because I don't want to ruin that. A nice coverage without it just being too much. I hate that really thick foundation look. But this ended up being my perfect foundation shade. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. That's what I'm saying, guys, my under eyes are just so bad, so add a little bit. Also, do you like my stick-on nails? These are just stick-on ones that I got from, I don't know if I got sent these or if I bought them myself from Superdrug. No, I got these sent because I did buy some myself, but I remember I worn one and threw them away. But I absolutely love them because they literally stick on. They're not glue. They've got a sticker on them, and then you just put them on, and it's amazing for days like today where I just need something literally just for the video. To brows, my brow routine has been the same for like 10 years. Okay, not 10 years, but I think it's been the same for at least 5 years. Like, absolutely crazy, but I have not changed my routine in that long because it just really works for me. I like it. I've tried different things. I don't mind like other ways of applying it, but this is my favorite. It's quick, easy. I just know what I'm doing. My concealer looks a little bit light on camera, but it's really not. It's just because the light is really like reflecting right off it. Okay, so so it's the Illamasqua eyebrow cake in Motto with the Illamasqua brush, and it's the angled brush that looks like this. Absolutely just... Okay, so today my eyebrows are so uneven. I haven't done them or got them done in forever, and I only get my eyebrows done because I'm gonna do a new technique. I want to lift them up and draw them on. Like, I want to change my shape today. Don't usually do this, but I want to go for a different eyebrow shape. Now on to eyeshadow. I'm using this Morphe palette. This is the Artistry palette. I don't know if the name of it is here. 39A, is that the name of the palette? I'm not sure. I'm quite new to Morphe, so I'm not... Oof, it is so hot today. I'm so gutted because the weather was so bad all week, and then when I decided to film, it's just like, oh, the sun is out. To be honest, I'm glad it's cloudy. Anyway, I'm gonna be using this Morphe palette, and I am gonna, obviously, come on guys, you know what colours I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna go for these two. I don't know whether I should do a matte. Maybe I should do a matte look because I've been doing metallics for so long. Let's go for a matte. I'm feeling a matte. First, I need to get rid of this excess foundation and concealer. Okay. Hope I don't regret doing green. And I am absolutely using the wrong brush for that. I need something a little bit more dense and less fluffy. Okay, so I am gonna do, I think I'm just gonna do one color. Just concentrate on the blending. Back and forth. You know what, I'm not a pro at eye makeup. I kind of just do what I think works for me. So I don't like bringing up too high. So what I do is I just take my brush and go back and forth where that crease bone is, if that makes sense, like this, and then round it off at the end. I got sucked into Love Island, and I have been watching Love Island for a week now. Like, my sister-in-laws have been forcing me to watch it since last year, and I kept cussing them, and I was like, oh, rubbish, don't watch rubbish. But being a mom, things change, and to be honest, I kind of like rubbish TV anyway. And then they kept literally forcing me to watch it, and now I love it, and I've been watching it by myself. I've actually been waiting for it and watching it. I know I'm a little bit disappointed in myself too, but what can you do? Right, what I'm gonna do is, I've got this neon green. I'm just gonna put a little, like, just what I had left over on the brush, which is literally nothing. I'm going in with this Huda Neon palette. I love these palettes so much. They're so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in with this. This was probably not the best brush to use. I'm just gonna add it on the inside of my eye. Oh, accidentally went in with the yellow. Just for a subtle eyeliner time. So I want to do like a really long thick flick, basically, you know. This is gonna be a little bit difficult. I want you guys to see it, but I'm so bad at filming eyeliner looks. Okay, so lashes time. Right, so I got a new technique with my lashes, which is something I never used to do. Sorry, I'm looking like this because I'm trying to get them to dry. Is I love the roller lash, and what I do is I put that on top of my lashes, because I've been finding that my lashes are just too white, and then when I put lashes on, like, I can't get rid of all the white. So because this is a really thin wand, and not just the one, sorry, the bristles. It coats my lashes nice and evenly, so it's not super crazy, and it doesn't look like... The thing is, I don't want to wear these lashes because they're just so thick. Still one of my favorite mascaras that I use. I've been using this for like 4 years, I think. I said that in my last video. Obviously not for 4 years straight, guys. I just keep repurchasing it. It's now contour. While I'm contouring, and since we were on the subject of watching stuff, I've been watching Big Little Lies, and I really like it. I'm really gutted that it's like the last episode though of the second season. God knows how long we're gonna have to wait now for the next season, but I really hope this last episode... By the way, guys, I know it looks like too much, but I am doing I'm doing photo makeup today, and because it's really sunny, my makeup has to be a little bit darker than usual so that it picks it up. Otherwise I just look like a ghost, because the other one's just a little bit too strong. Going in with this Revlon eyebrow pencil, and I'm breaking out like mad because of the Zolbaji stuff, and what I'm doing is I'm drawing myself some fake beauty marks because I've broken out that much that it'll just look nicer if they are beauty spots. So I'm going in with my favorite... So I don't like to bake, but I like to just put a lot of powder and then dust it off. Kind of not baking because I do it straight away, like now, and then I'll just take it off straight away. This is the Huda Beauty cake bake or something. What was it called? I don't even remember. Anyway, I absolutely really love this. So I'm just gonna do this before... Oh, too much powder everywhere. So doing this just before my photo shoot. It is Starkers by Inamaska. It has been a while since I worn this lipstick. It's a little bit lighter. How dark is this? So this is the Huda Beauty lipstick. That's almost the same color. I really like these Huda Beauty lipsticks. The only thing I would say, the only bad thing I have about them is they're really cool toned. Like the nudes are super cool toned, whereas I like it to be a little bit more warm toned. Okay, that is pink, guys, not the color I am trying to go for. What about this? Is that the color I just tried on? So this is the final look, guys. What do you think? I'm really happy with the eyes. Let me zoom in a little bit more. The only thing is it's stabbing me right in the eye. Okay, that's better. I am really happy with this final look. You know what, it's been loads of fun creating it. And I love this turban style too. It's like really cash, but then at the same time it's so glam because of this extra bit. And I feel like when your turban is flowing, like has extra flowy bits, it just makes it look so much more glamorous. What do you guys think? Do you like that? I love it.